What's up everyone, I'm back with another video, and today guys I'll be going to Jurong Lake Gardens alone because our free schedule did not meet. So they have work and they have other appointments. So now in a bit I'll be going to take a bus and then MRT and then stop over at Lakeside. And on the way out guys, you can see my Canyon Neuron 6. So I haven't used this one for about 2 months already because the trail condition in Bukit Timah Trail is not good because in the past few weeks it has been raining a lot, and there are portions there, especially the part before Stairway to Heaven, the flood is like head level. And some parts, the soils are eroding and the berms are cheap, the trees are fallen. And I've read some comments from the Facebook bike posts guys. Comments like the flood waters are coming from the stinky sewage waters. So I don't know if it's confirmed, but the probability is very high because the drainage are just connected. So it's very possible. I don't wanna discourage the bikers there guys, but it's your prerogative to decide for yourselves. So just go out there guys and enjoy the ride and bring with you your safety precautions. And I know as a weekend warriors, we are looking forward every weekend because I know every ride is a tiny holiday. So enjoy your ride guys. So I've just done my rounds here guys. So I've been here twice already. So the first time I rode a road bike, not necessarily a road bike, it's a hybrid road and gravel bike. Now I want to share with you the latest upgrade I have with my folding bike. So I think not a few but a couple of items I've upgraded. So the first one, I upgraded the pedal. So I think I have to show you closer to the items. So the first one, I've changed this pedal guys. First one, it's all black and very plastic. Now I've upgraded to this pedal named Kutu. It's foldable like that. You fold like that. And the second one, I've changed this rear shock guys. So the first one, it's just a solid rubber, the default shock when I bought the 360. So I've changed this to a spring coil rear shock. So the third one, I've changed this mini wheel. It's a Light Pro mini wheel. So before, the 360 mini wheels are uh, thick and it's very plasticky and it's lighting up. So I don't like how festive it is, guys. So I've just changed it to this one. So the fourth one is the seat post. So I've upgraded it to this threaded Light Pro black seat post, guys. And it can extend until on the ground. So before it's a silver, guys, and it can only extend until that it is hanging in the air. And I like this because it matches the colorway I want to achieve in this bike. So I want a black and silver only, guys, and a little pop of little colors like orange, blue, like that. So and the fifth one, I have this frame guard, guys. It's like a Brampton frame guard. It's from Foldie. It has like an engraved marks of bike and a Britain flag. So the look is like this. The sixth one, I bought this spring guard for the cables, guys. So now it's very organized already. So the seventh one, guys, is the saddle. So I upgraded the previous default saddle from 360 because I felt it's very ankle-ish, very thick, and the color is just plain black. So now it's thin, the design is good and very contemporary. Number 8, I've upgraded the handle grip to this one. It's like a rubber type, just like the tennis handles. And I've also bought the end grips, and I've chose the silver ones just to contrast with the black in the handlebars. Next are the accessories I bought for this folding bike, guys. Actually, I still have plans to upgrade my bike if I have a budget already. And I wanted the Schwalbe tire, guys, because I want the design. It has a yellow strip here. And I think that's a good composition for the whole exterior look of the folding bike. But for now, I want to make use of that so that it will serve its value. First accessory, we have the quad lock. I have this already long time ago, since my mountain bike days. And I have this old bell also from my old road bike. I have this front light. I forgot already the brand, but it's USB rechargeable. You can just attach like this. It has a rubber holder. I have here my front bag, guys. So this front bag has a shoulder strap. I will show you. Actually, I already replaced the shoulder strap, guys. This is I think one of the phone holder strap of from Zara. It's from Foldie, guys. So next, guys, I want to show you the bike essentials I bring with me every time I go for a ride. So first is this one. So I want to show first the power bank, because I need to charge that phone because it's low bat already. So I have here, so there's 100 juice. So second one, so I want to sit down, guys. Second one, I have this collapsible water bottle. So let's try to use this. So it's collapsible. You can refill it if there's a water station. So it can extend like this. It's from Stiendo. And it can go back like that. And so it's very watertight, guys. It will not spill in the bag. And the other thing is this hand sanitizer. So this is essential for these days, COVID era. Fourth one is my Sunnies from Vans. It's only $19, guys. So it's very helpful, protecting my eyes from the sun, and it's very comfortable. Fourth one is the lock. So I have this portable lock, and it's in spring. So it's just very light and portable. So you will appreciate the importance of this, guys, when you are going to eat at the hawkers or any restaurants or any food hubs. So you can just lock up your bike for security, and it's in combination code. So the fourth one is, yeah, this is like this. I'll show you. So if you and your friends are going to eat already in the poker and you don't want to leave this bag in this front holder, you can just put the strap and then you can wear, guys, like this. So it's very comfortable and very convenient. And what else? So I have here the strap, tire strap. So when you fold this bike already, you will have to use this one. So it will keep in place the folds. So this bike is a tri-fold. So even a little lift of your bike will unfold already. So it's very sensitive. So you need this strap to hold it together when you are carrying this bike. And you will carry the bike through this frame, the one with the leather protector. So it will be very comfortable for your hands. What else? I think I have this money holder, but I don't have cash now. And I have my second bag, guys. Why I have a second bag? Because I have here a camera. I'm usually fond of taking good views, good sceneries in the cities and even in everywhere. So I have my M50 always with me, guys. So usually if I ride along with others, I cannot really indulge taking photos because I cannot just observe and notice which good views I want to take. But now I have all my time for myself, so I don't have to think if they are bored waiting for me or they want to go already. So I can indulge myself watching and savoring the views all for myself. So this is my camera, and the rest are just tripods which I use now, but you cannot see because I use now, and all the mounts for Osmo action camera which I left today. And I have also here my card. That's why I don't have cash, because I have with me my debit card, and I have bandage in case I fall, and wipes. That's it. No, I still have one important item, guys. This one. This is like equivalent of the EasyLink card, guys. So I bought this one because previously I have my phone to tap on the bus, the MRT for my fare. Usually I have my hands full of the bike and other things, so I cannot really type in my passcode or my password in the phone while I have my hands full. So this one is very helpful, guys. You can just tap it in the tapping machine to add value for this. So I have here my key holder, so house keys. So that's it. And this one is from Adidas. So this is just a one strap, guys, body strap. So it's very convenient to just roll the bag if you want something and just grab in front of you. So I think that's it, guys. Thanks for sharing with me your time and allowing me to share with you the bike upgrades I have and the bike essentials. Till next time, thanks for watching and hope you like and subscribe. Thanks. Till then, bye-bye. Oh, sorry guys, I forget something. I forget this one. Tools from BT Decathlon. So it's a very portable Allen keys and screws to help you in case there is something to fix in your bike. So I already use this, guys. Like my pedal is not really tightened up. So when I cycle in the Celetar, I think the pedal went off the hub. So thanks for this Allen keys, it helps a lot. So without this, my hands cannot screw this pedal to tighten up. It's very important, guys. Don't forget this. So bye bye, thanks.
That's my best friend.